Show you guys my punch tool again. I'm about to use this again. I use this a lot when I'm making my parts. This stuff is just easy to punch holes. So in this inner kick panel, we're going to go ahead and punch a few holes. I already marked them. You see, I marked the holes already. Mark them on the inside. They'd be on the inside of the cab up against the kick panel. All right, let's go ahead and get it set up so we can start putting it in. All right, guys, so before we actually put it in, I made my little lines here. I'm gonna make my beads just along here, just to strengthen the panel a little bit. So I'm gonna see if I can do this by myself. Normally, I get my wife, she actually winds it here. Get in the center. I haven't used this in a while, so I got to get used to using it again. Really, see the beads. It's not perfect, but that's what I need. All right, guys. So here we are about to fit this panel and put it in. This is the piece that I made. You guys saw I made that, and see if it'll fit up in here. I'll put a bead there. Bead there. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start welding her up. See if I can maybe put you guys at a different angle because there ain't nothing right there. If I don't mess the camera up. I want to get this stuff as tight as possible. Alright guys, so basically that did tack up pretty good there. Whew. I'll grind that down and I'll keep doing that. I don't want to get it too hot. So I'll let you. Alright, so hey, let's go ahead and do a quick recap guys of what we got done and accomplished today. Actually we got a lot of stuff done. First thing, I took a little break. I went and got this giant gear from my buddy. He told me I could have it. You guys saw me rolling it up. It probably, I'm telling you, that thing, I swear, it probably weighs about 50 to 60 pounds or more. But I needed it so I could get my bead roller going. As you guys see here, I got that from Eastwood a long time ago. And that's that wheel. See what so I basically just welded it on there. I had it on a pallet before. Now this thing is not going anywhere. I can roll this baby around and stuff. I just put a few tack welds on there, and I actually was able to use the bead roller today with this little project. So basically guys, we got it in there, and I didn't really want to tack it up all the way. I didn't want to get it really hot, and like I said, I like to fit up everything before I actually weld it up solid. But you guys see there, and that's all handmade. That's not a patch panel, which I normally do buy. But I just made that piece there. You see here, go all that evenly. And I'll show you guys from the other side how it looks. Inside there. See if you can see, we got all my things here. Let me move that so you guys can see it. Forgot I put my stuff up here. Alright, so you guys see there, and like I said, I just gotta finish welding that up there. And I got my bead rolls in there, as you guys saw. See? All right. So she's coming along, guys. I mean, we're getting it done. So we are getting it done. A lot of work. I had a few hiccups, but you're gonna have hiccups. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And if you got a fast car truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.